There are two ways to take up a gel polish. One
How
is
to
soaping
obtain a gel
acetone.
polish
Another
on
one
a
sand
real nail.
like this. Customer, she don't have the time
First,
to
you gotta
soak
pick
up
up
her
a gel.
gel in acetone. So she says she wants to sand it out will be faster, quicker, because
This
she have to
time
go back
I
to work.
use
To sand the
fire
gel
up
polish
the gel, okay?
on a real nail, it take
Now
about maybe
continue this one and
7
continue
minutes.
this one
But to
too.
soak up in acetone, it take maybe
Okay, now
20
we
to
gotta go
30
on
minutes.
this hand. So we do a little bit here and then a little bit here, because if you keep sanding in one place, the nail bed will be very hot. So keep doing it and keep doing it until I finish to take up the gel, okay? Okay, I already take up all the gel, and now because it have the cuticle, so I'm gonna go around it. So take up the skin because it just do the gel color only. But when you do, it's kind of slide, not too much. Okay, and the next step will be, okay, now we're gonna file the nail even, okay. Same with over here too. Okay, and finish all of them, okay? Now going to smooth it out, okay? And continue on this one and finish the hands. Okay, after finish to sand it smooth, and now we're gonna use a buffer. So this disposable, okay? One time use. So I gotta use the paper to go like this. It's doing a lot. If you use this one, you go like this. If steak ball coming, you will get a 5. Just this paper and keep going until all the dust come up. Will not wash her hand or rinse her hand, okay? For shape, I clean with acetone. Everybody have a different way to do it. So this is the way I do it at salon, not at home. I know it. Many people do it at home. At home, you have to have business license, this and that. So I don't know how they do it at home. No idea. So the stickball come and check whenever they want to come. It doesn't matter. Okay, this one. Okay. Now I apply the bond. On 10 nails, okay. This one too. Okay. Now we're going to put now I'm going to apply the base, okay? I always do this one first. In. So this machine is don't look in. Okay. For 30 seconds. Now continue for this one, okay? And finish. Okay, see you this one. Jelly shot. Okay, in here, and I will go for 3 times because my machine is an old machine, so only 30 seconds. I will go for 3 times, maybe 90 seconds for sure, you know. Now continue. Now continue on this side, okay? Until finish. Okay, and now this is her second hand. Okay, in the light for 3 times. And this is the second time. I polish the 3, now the 4 of the second time. Okay, in. continue until you finish. Now I put a top coat. I already put the top coat, so I just go over. Now the second hand, same. Until finished. Now after finish, I use a cleansing gel, so I'm gonna cleanse with this. I clean with acetone instead of gel cleanser. It's very shiny too. Okay, continue to clean with this one too. Okay, now look at her hands so pretty. Finish the how to do a gel polish. Okay, look at this, everybody. This is finished the gel polish on the real nail.
Thank you, everybody. I see you next video. Bye bye.